Okay guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys 5 reasons why you are missing out on winning trade setups. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well and subscribe, please, and turn up your bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to see it. So in this video, we'll be talking about 5 reasons why you are missing out on winning trade setup. As a trader, missing out on a winning setup, can be very discouraging. It can be very painful, especially when you have done your fundamental analysis, your technical analysis, you've done all your setups, you've previewed, you've looked at previous price actions, and after everything you set up your plans, your trade on how to enter the market. Then all of a sudden you start doubting the whole idea and you decide to wait. You then place entries on unrealistic levels, and maybe you want another market condition to occur before you jump into the market. But unfortunately, the market does not wait for anybody. The price will just keep on moving, and at the end, you find out that you've actually missed a winning trade or a winning setup. You will find out that that setup that you missed, or that trade that you did not enter, would have given you profit. It would have given you some number of pips in profit. So in this video, we'll be looking at 5 reasons why you are missing out on your own winning trade setup, on your own setups that would have given you profit. So the number one reason why you miss out on your own trading setup is because you just lost a trade. You just lost a trade. Trading involves emotions. Okay, so when you lose a trade, it will be difficult for you to make the right decision or for you to enter the right market. You won't be able to, like, you'll be doubting your setups. You won't be able to enter the market when you're supposed to enter and exit when you're supposed to exit. So let me just tell you that being anxious about taking another setup after experiencing a loss is a normal thing. The key is managing your risk. Have a good risk management so that even if you experience a loss again, you will still enter the trade and come out in profit at the end of the day. So even if you lose a trade, you should not be afraid to enter the trade that you have actually made a good setup on. The second reason is that you are too afraid to lose money. Some people enter into forex trading with the mindset that I don't want to lose money, or you'll be afraid. You must have heard stories like, forex, I blew my account of $1,000, I blew my account of $10,000, and all that. Yes, it's true. Forex is very, very risky. But when you are too afraid to enter the market, you will find out that you actually have missed you'll be missing setups that would have given you profit because you are afraid to to lose money. So the most common reason why traders are afraid to lose real money, when it is you're not trading with demo, you're trading with real money, is that you are risking more than you can afford to lose in a trade. It still boils down to having a good risk management. Some people don't understand the meaning of some lots. In fact, they don't know what some traders don't know what lot size is. So you see people trading, having $100 account, they are using 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.1, and even one lot size in their trading. So you will see that you are risking more. You are risking more, so you will not be able to enter that trade because you are just capping. You want to just enter the market and exit immediately, so you now increase your risk, and at the end you will not be able to enter the market. Just look at it in this way: if you had used 0.01 lot size, you will see that you would have entered that market and maybe you would have made some profit. But when you increase your lot size, you'll be afraid to enter the market. You'll not be able to enter immediately, and at the end, that your setup would have given you a good profit. The third reason why you miss out on winning setups is you are not sure about your analysis. Okay, so you do your fundamental analysis, you do your technical analysis, but you're not just too sure of it. So at the end, you don't enter the market, and before you know it, you see the market it will just move to that direction that you had earlier predicted. So if you are unsure about taking a setup, and but you believe that it will give you profit, all you need to do is to have a good risk management. Just consider averaging your entries, like averaging the money that you would have used before entering. At least you may not make much, but you will make at least you make something. Then another thing you should also consider is your lot size. Maybe consider putting a tighter lot size, stop loss rather, stop loss, so that should it not go your direction, you will not lose much. That is if you are not sure of it. But instead of not making anything, just know where to place your stop loss. I'm not saying you should go and place a stop loss where it will easily hit your stop loss and the market will still reverse and you will be at loss. So it is very painful when you predict that the market will go up. You now set a tight stop loss and the market will go and hit the stop loss and still reverse and start going to your direction. I know most of you must have has this experience. Is very, very painful. So do not be afraid when you make up this when you make your own when you set up your trading plans. Okay, do not be afraid, but know how to reduce your risk, and also know your entry point for stop loss and also for take profit. Some people will just trade without even putting take profit. You see the market will give them profit, they still expect more profit, and before you know it, they start going to loss and they'll be praying to reverse back, and the market will never reverse back, and before you know it, they'll start losing money. Okay, the fourth one is you hate losing money. Some people, they don't want to, in fact, they prophesy, I don't want to lose. You hate losing. So you want to enter the market where you must be profitable. You hate losing. So you want to be sure. In fact, immediately you enter the market, what you want to start seeing is profit. In fact, you don't even want the charge that make up the spread. You just want it to start going to profit. As a result, you start waiting for maybe an entry, and you just notice that you are not following your plans again. And before you know it, if you had entered earlier, you would have made profit. So remember that a losing trade does not make a bad trader. Rather, bad trading habit is what makes a bad trader. I repeat, remember that a losing trade does not make a bad trader. Rather, bad trading habit is what makes a bad trader. So the number five reason is you do not know that your setup would work. You didn't know. So you were doubting it. You think it will not work. So before you know it, the thing starts going in your own direction, in the direction you earlier predicted it. So just know that this is one of the reasons, because you don't know that it would have that your setup will give you such that it will turn to such a good profit or a winning trade. So that's why I did not enter the market. So we've said it. Don't be afraid when you make up those when you set up your trading plans. All you need to do is to have a good risk management. Okay, have a good risk management and you'll be successful. Yes, they say that it's just 10% of people trading forex that are successful, but let me tell you, people are still making money in forex. Look at the way dollar is going up today. One of the ways you can make money on daily basis is trading forex. Go and learn how to trade. Okay, I have a robot that trades very well. In case you are in need of it, I can help you up. I can help you out in setting it up. Okay, it will help you to trade. But even at that, you don't just depend on a robot. You need to learn how to trade on your own as well, so that the robot will just assist you. Okay, so if you need the robot, you can just I'll drop the link below on how you can get it, or even my link. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll help you send the robot if you need it. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed, just try and subscribe, so that I will be making so many videos from now. I'll be teaching forex. I'll also be teaching. There are some things that we need to know as a trader. You need to know about margin and how it affects your trade and all that. Some of these things that we ignore that would have made you a good trader, you know. So I'll be dropping videos. Please subscribe so that you'll be the first person, okay, that to see this video whenever I post these videos, whenever I post them. Thank you very much for joining me.